You don't need to be born in a wealthy family to have $1 million. And I'm not kidding. Let me tell you, the secret lies in something called the time value of money. And the earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes. Think about this. Money is like a seed. The sooner you plant it, the longer it has to grow, and the larger it becomes. That's why starting early, even from the day you're born, can completely change your financial future. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make $1 million for your baby. Step 1. Start early. Parents can actually set this up for their kids. Let's take a newborn baby as an example. Instead of waiting until adulthood, what if parents began investing for their child at age 0? Step 2. Invest regularly. Here's how it works. Suppose the parents open an indexed universal life insurance policy, an IUL, for their newborn. They contribute a fixed premium of $5,000 per year for just 15 years. That's a total of $75,000 contributed. Step 3. Invest for long-term. Now watch what happens with compound growth, assuming just 6% average annual return inside the IUL. At age 18, the policy will have about $150,000 in cash value. At age 25, about $280,000. At age 35, crossing $1 million. Do we normally see people 35 years old with $1 million cash value?
No.
But by investing early, it could happen with very little risk. By age 45, the same policy would accumulate nearly $2 million cash value. Isn't it amazing? Step 4. Enjoy tax-free flexible income. That money can then be used for a down payment on a house, paying for college, starting a business, or even as a foundation for retirement. All because the parents started early. Now compare this to someone who waits until age 25 to start investing. To hit $1 million by age 35, they'd need to invest nearly $70,000 per year. That's the cost of waiting. The early start does the heavy lifting for you. So, how do you get born with $1 million? You don't need wealthy parents. You just need parents who understand the time value of money. A small, consistent investment started early can create life-changing wealth. The best gift you can give a child isn't toys, it's financial freedom. If you're interested, please check my video about financial freedom and how to retire early. If you want to know more about IUL policies, please contact me for a free consultation. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more tips to grow your wealth. Let's make your money work for you.